Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you garden decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, let's start. First idea, hanging bottles. Use plastic bottles, cut them and put salt inside. Hang them on a wall or tree. Grow some plants or herbs and weavers. Flower pot painting. Paint your all pot with bright color. You can draw flower, heart or simple line. It's make your garden look happy. Stone path and weavers. Friends, use small stones to make a path. Put stones in a line of the ground. It's look clean and beautiful. And friends, old tire planter. Weavers. And friends, take an old tire, paint it with bright color, put salt and flour inside. Good ideas for recycling. Jar light, take a glass jar, put small lights inside, hang them or keep on table. Look very pretty at night. So I hope you will like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel. And viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends, Khuda Hafiz. See you in the next video.